Here I am in a bird sanctuary. Welcome. They are very loud in your ear. Hey Gail, eat your heart out. Oh boy, oh boy. Are you shooting that video? No?
I'm shooting pictures.
Here. I'm shooting video right now, it's live. Gail, eat your heart out.
Here you go, Gail.
So here we are. This is Picacho Peak State Park. We're outside our bubble once again, as you can see. And we hope you're enjoying the comic relief we're bringing you today. So I don't even know what kind of birds these are, but they're really pretty. But in any case, this is David and Brenda Bott saying hello from OutsideOurBubble.com. Hello.